Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with a messy desk and slow data transfers? Well, say goodbye to those frustrations with the Lenovo ThinkPad Universal USB-C Dock-40AY0090. This game-changing docking station is a total powerhouse, offering lightning-fast speeds and a sleek design that will make your workspace feel like a dream. The Lenovo ThinkPad Universal USB-C dock is incredibly well-reviewed and a popular choice among customers, and for good reason. With its one-cable solution, you can save a blazing fast data transfers, rapidly charge your USB-C notebooks, and plug-and-play displays and other PC accessories with ease. You'll love the feeling of having more desk space to work and play with, and the sound of silence as you ditch all those extra cords. This dock is perfect for both office-based and remote working, giving IT managers a hassle-free way to remotely and securely gather key information about the dock and its attached devices. Plus, the LED lights on the dock give it a premium feel, and the king-size design means you can connect all your devices at once. Whether you're hot desking, working from home, or in the office, this dock is the ultimate solution. With its automatic firmware updates and support for traditional IT tools, you can focus on what matters most, getting work done. So why settle for a cluttered and slow workspace when you can have a fast, efficient, and organized one with the Lenovo ThinkPad Universal USB-C Dock-40AY0090? Upgrade your workflow today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.